Reggae Boyz head coach Heimir Hallgrimsson says that he wants to build a team that can work together. What does he mean by that? Big up, people, and welcome again to MG Sports TV as we kick on for another episode. Welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining, and this is going to be a good one. Let's first give a shout out to our sponsors. As you can see here, look at their logo. It is SAP Sports, people. You can get the Reggae Boyz gears, football boots, socks, jerseys, every single thing sports gear, sports wear, all your sports in accoutrements. You can get it at SAP Sports. They have an office. You can check them out on IG. Go and support them, people, at SAP Sports 4. Most definitely, people, really want you guys to do so. There's an office in Denby, Maypen, 138 Muirhead Avenue. Most definitely, people, have to give a shout out to our channel members. First of all, to our patrons, Raymond Austin, Ravon Bennett, big up, my respect. Channel members, people, the original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, Rolanda Codner, and most definitely don't forget Devon Hughes and Angelica Rivera. Big up to the channel members. My respect. Thank you very much, people, for tuning in again. And channel members, they keep the program going, and also our sponsors keep the program going. People, now, as you know, the Reggae Boyz just completed a game against Mexico in the Nation League where they drew 2-2. Pretty much an emphatic encounter between both teams, and Leon Bailey and coach Heimir Hallgrimsson did an interview, and this is what they said. This is your comments. We're gonna jump straight into that right at this present moment. Let's go, people. Let us go. Let me bring it up at present moment. Hallgrimsson, Leon Bailey. Good. So this is it, people. As you can see, well, that's Bobby Reed, but it's mostly about Leon Bailey and Coach Hallgrimsson, people. So let's get into the article. Without further ado, we don't want this to be a long one, so we want to run through it as fast as possible. Reggae Boy head coach Heimir Hallgrimsson and star Leon Bailey share confidence that Jamaica have a great opportunity to qualify for the FIFA World Cup 2026. Hallgrimsson was a part of the coaching staff for Iceland. These are just a lot of rhetorics that we all know, but still gonna read it. When they qualified for the 2014 World Cup in Brazil, said he was aware of the long journey ahead of the team, but believes the 2026 renewal to be hosted by CONCACAF nations, United States, Canada, and Mexico is an achievable target. Bailey agreed with the coach, said with 3 hosts already qualified, it's opened up a big opportunity for Team Jamaica, or for the Jamaican team. Both men were speaking at Sunday's post-match press conference after Jamaica played a 2-2 draw against Mexico at the Estadio Azteca in Mexico City, but the boys were knocked out of the next stage of the CONCACAF Nation League. This is what Hallgrimsson said. The goal was not to just get back to the World Cup. I think, love that. This is what he said, people. I think we can do things in the World Cup 2026. We are just starting our journey. Now we have to try to find players, interesting, to select players who we want to have on the bus on this long journey to 2026. And this is like the beginning for us, the coaches. Bailey, the Aston Villa player who was playing at the Azteca for the first time, said it was a realistic dream to qualify for the next World Cup. It most definitely is. I think we have a big opportunity to, make the next World Cup. And with USA, Canada, Mexico being qualified is a huge opportunity for us, and we're gonna make the most of it. Like the coach is struck an ear of caution. We still have a long way to go. Today we can take a lot of positive from the games, as I think today was a good showing from both teams, and we showed a lot of character, keenly, which we were lacking in a long time. I think today we really could have came up with something, but was unfortunately we came up with a draw. Last part of the article, people. Bailey added, it was my first time being in the stadium, and I think it was an incredible atmosphere. I think the fans showed great spirit to cheer their team on, and you know that's a heavy support, and I feel like it helped them a lot. It was a great atmosphere to be playing under, and today was one of them that were bittersweet for us that we came up with a draw, but we are still we're still looking forward. Well, that's kind of red. What color no? I don't remember the term. Anyways, meanwhile, Hallgrimsson said Sunday's draw is a foundation for a lot of things going forward. That's interesting. It's really, really interesting. All right, so this is what he said. No, that was one of the most. That was one of the reasons I wanted to coach Jamaica. It was because I think there's a lot of talent in Jamaica, a lot of talented footballers. Grimsey said, now we have to create a team that can work together as one. Let me repeat that. Now we have to create a team that can work together as one. This is my first official match, but we are just starting a long journey. We are trying to improve a lot of things, trying to change a lot of things. It will take time, he said. I have to be patient, and Jamaica has to be patient. But given the quality of the players, I think we can be very, very good. So, Hallgrimsson, as you can see there, asking for a little bit of patience from the Reggae Boyz team, and supporters, because definitely he believes that the result initially will come. And I for one, I do believe that we are heading in the right direction. And because we're heading in the right direction, normally in life, once you're doing the right things, you will get the right results. That's also how life operates. It's law of attraction. Do the right things and you'll get the right results. It's just a law of attraction, people. I didn't create it. I never invented the law of attraction, people. I never created it. It's law of attraction. But definitely, I love the fact that Hallgrimsson said that he wants to create a team that can work together. For a long time now, Reggae Boyz have a team. A little too much segregation, so we're moving away from that now. You can see the effort the team put in against Mexico, the cohesiveness on and off the pitch. We have to give credit to that, because when you look off the pitch, you look that they were meshing well, they were gelling really, really good. And we saw that on the pitch, the fight that they had together, the bond that they were showing, that is brilliant. But Hallgrimsson is serious about this World Cup qualification campaign, and he said that he wants to create a team that can work together as one. And most definitely, he's asking for patience from the players and also from the Jamaican fan base. So, I do know a lot of people will be giving him the time and space to get the job done, but it is positive signs at this present moment, and it is a good look. Big up everyone in the comment section. Massive, massive respect. Go into the comment section, type and tell us what your thoughts are. We need to know what your thoughts are, people. So go into the comment section and text us and tell us. I might not be able to reply to all of them, but certainly I try to reply as much as possible. Big up, people. Smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. MG Sports TV, people. And we are out. Boom.